Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can buy products in Flipkart Flash Sale. Currently Redmi Note 5 and Note 5 Pro and Mi TV Flash Sale is going on. If you want to grab one, you have to follow the steps. First we are going to install a Chrome extension called Flip Shoppy. You have to visit the Chrome store. I will give the link directly in the description box, and you have to click on Add to Chrome. Not only Redmi Note 5, Mi TV, you can even buy Honor 9 Lite and any other products which are coming in the near future. You can use this extension and you can buy it. Once the extension is added to Chrome, you can see this logo over here. You have to click on this. You have to register and you have to log in. After logging in, you have to click on Flash Sale. Under Flash Sale, you can see the list of products which are currently available for Flash Sale. You can choose whatever product you want. For example, if you want to buy Note 5 or Note 5 Pro, you need to select the version, whether you want 3GB or 4GB, and you need to select the color. For example, I am going to select 4GB variant and rose gold on Flipkart. See, I have selected rose gold version. You can even select it on Mi website, that is mi.com. After selecting this, at the top you can see there is an option called auto checkout on Flipkart. You have to check this option. Whenever the flash sale begins, it will automatically add the product to the cart. For testing purpose, I am going to select Honor 9 Lite. I have selected 4GB variant, 64GB, blue color. Now go to flipkart.com and open the model which you want to buy. I have selected blue color, 64GB variant. You have to click on that. On Flipkart, before 3 minutes of sale, this extension starts working. And at the bottom, you can see that it's keep on refreshing and it's trying to add the product to the cart whenever the product is available. You can see that it is keep on refreshing every 5 seconds. Once the product is available, the extension will automatically add the product to the cart. You don't have to press anything, and you can see that the product has been added to cart. Now you need to click on place order and you need to select the delivery address and you need to click on continue, and you have to select the payment option. You have different payment options. For flash sales, it is better to go with cash on delivery because it takes less time. Enter the captcha and click on confirm order. But Flipkart recently disabled cash on delivery option for Redmi Note 5 and Note 5 Pro flash sale. So you have to select any one of the payment methods such as credit card or debit card or phone pay. You can even use net banking. You can even use EMI. To get a product in flash sale, it is recommended to add your card details before the flash sale. You can see over here, I have already added my credit card details beforehand so that it takes less time to check out and get a product in flash sale. That's it guys. In this way, you can get any product in Flipkart flash sales. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.